Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Slack groups. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to create groups, either you can go to direct messages and from here you will be able to start creating or managing by adding people to a conversation on Slack. Or you can simply go to the people page or the contact page from Slack where you will be able to start managing your groups and users. So we can, for example, go to any conversation. So if you go to a DM with someone, you would have like an invite people option. Where in my case, I don't have it since this is me, and I don't have any other contacts in this uh, workspace. And basically you will find like invite people option, and from there you will be able to start creating a group indirectly. Otherwise you can simply go to more, and from here you will find people. And now we want to go to user groups, and basically in the user groups you will have like this option to create a user group. By clicking on create a user group, you will start like having a name for this group. You give it a handle or whatever, and from here you give also a purpose, channels that you want like to have, like for example uh, group members are added to these channels automatically, so you can add people to channel if you would like. Then you go to next, and now you start like inviting people to this channel. So we are going just to create a group, and here we have this group. So as you can see, those are the purpose of group, the title, like the mentioning of the group, etc. And now you can start like adding again the member by clicking on edit member and start adding them. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.